Good morning, ma'am.
Tamazu, now we are gonna keep all the luggages here and we are moving towards the Gokarna area. I don't know where. Hey guys, we are leaving from Dewdrops and we are moving to Gokarna, and yeah, it's around 6 o'clock right now, so we'll be moving right now. We'll be keeping all the luggages there. So as you can see, this is Pema. Everyone will be now everyone is in a bus, so we are moving now. Just stay with me. Bye. Girls, are you excited?
Yes! Why not?
Even after all this time, fear can grip me and but somehow, somewhere you make me
Hey guys, we reached Mirjan Fort, which is located at the southern part of Karnataka. So the back side is, behind me is the Mirjan Fort. Next to her is Sharon. Yeah, she's right here.
Don't you think it's high time? Reach out, a leap of faith and run. Shooting for the stars, kissing on the cars. Gonna make it all time. How about starting over? Maybe we could be lovers. Baby, you and I.
So guys, we are going inside. I just want to tell you that everything, the material at this place is made up of laterite stone and mud. So yeah, this place is.
Give me conversation, physical attention. We can speak with our hands, getting closer. I wanna share a secret. Ever since our lips met, I've been thinking on the things we can do. Waiting on a green light. Don't you think it's hard time? We change the records that we play. Shooting for the stars, kissing on the cars. Gonna make it all time.
So guys, it is very big and it has got around 10 acres of land and it's so spacious. It really looks like. And been traveling, and at least at the end we came to a very unique spot. What are you guys doing?
You're taking photo!
Take. Guys, it's a beautiful place. We'll go up now. Wow, this is so cool. Model. This is
It's been a long time, I know. Your oceans are miles away. I know that we're over, had closure.
I think this is a well. You know, I heard that they have got so many wells. So it is particularly well, and it is long.
And what we used to be.
Just see there, it's nice.
I kinda miss your face. I cannot help but think. Do you remember me? Do you, do you, do you, do you? I kinda miss your face. I cannot help but think. Do you remember me? Do you, do you, do you, do you? I go back to our conversations.
Hey guys, we are at the top of the fort and now it's time for a photo session. So we are all taking photos.
Just to pretend you're near wherever you go.
So everyone is taking photo right now.
I never moved on, and I do it all over again. Do you remember me? Do you, do you, do you, do you? And what we used to be. Do you, do you, do you, do you? I kinda miss your face. I cannot help but think. Do you remember me? Do you, do you, do you, do you? Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you, do you? I can't
Now everyone is here to have a cold drink. Hey guys. Hi. Hey guys, did you enjoy? Now we are going to take group photo.
help but think. Do you remember me? It's been a long time, I know.
Nisha, wow, you look amazing. You look so pretty today. So these two buses are ours, pink and white.
Since the day you came and stole my heart, I'd do anything for you. You, I build a plane to take me to the stars. Yeah, I go anywhere for you. You, ain't it something? I keep coming back, chasing the high. I'm running to you, I'll keep rising. I won't give up. I won't give up. Run.
ये देते हैं फोटो चेंज दिशा.
I'd climb up Everest, I'd climb the moon, just to make my way to you.
Hey guys, we are at Om Beach. We are heading to Om Beach right now. We changed our dress and we are walking by. So let's see.
I keep coming back, chasing the high. I'm running to you, I'll keep rising. I won't give up. I won't give up.
say it. I haven't felt this good in a while. You tell me I'm the only one that they would all like, but you're the only one that kept me alive. You were the only one. You were the only one that kept me alive. You were the only side. You were the only one that kept me Even after all this time, fear can grip me now.